Good morning, all. Today we'll be discussing Chapter 11 Sunita in the Space from the book Holy Faith, workbook for the class 5. Sunita in the Space. Starting with the exercise, write true or false. The line drawn on a globe are clearly visible from the space. An astronaut can see the Earth. This line is false. There is no gravity in the space. True. The moon has its own light. False. The moon looks the same every night. It's false. Sunita Williams went to the space in an aeroplane. It's false. Fill in the blank. Sunita Williams set a new record for the longest space walking time by a woman. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. The sky, stars, sun and the moon are all in a space. The Earth's gravity pulls all the things toward it. We can see the sun during the daytime and stars and the moon in the nighttime. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Sunita wanted to become a diver when she was in the school. Define the following terminology. Globe. A globe is a small model of a Earth. Planet. A celestial body which revolve around a star in an orbit and do not have their own heat and light. Star. A star is a ball of gas that can produce its own light. Meteorites, a fragment of rock from the outer space that enter the Earth atmosphere and reaches the surface of Earth. Natural satellite. A natural satellite is a celestial body in the space that orbit around a large body. Shooting star, a small piece of rock or dust when it comes into the atmosphere of Earth atmosphere, it starts burning, hence it's called a shooting star. Artificial satellite. They are the man-made object that orbit the various planets in the solar system. Give reason for the following. Sunita did not have to comb her hair in the space. Sunita did not have to comb her hair in the space because there is no gravity in the space and everything floats in the space. In space, Sunita did not walk, she just floated around. Since there is no gravity in the space, everything floats in the space. Why we see different shapes of moon or on a different days. Moon revolve around Earth. Different portion of moon sunlit surface are visible from the Earth. Thus, shape of moon is different on different days. Everything that is thrown up come down on the Earth. Why? Things that we throw up are pulled down due to the Earth gravitational pull, and therefore they come down. Stars are not visible during the daytime, although stars are there in the morning, but they are not visible to us because of the glare of the sun in the morning. Answer the following question. Name two festivals related to the moon. It's Kartik Purnima and Guru Purnima. Explain how is eating in space different from eating on the Earth. There is no gravity in the space, so food fly around, making it difficult to eat in the space by astronauts. Who is Sunita Williams? What world record she made? Sunita Williams is American astronaut. She formerly held the record for the most spacewalk time by the women. How does the Earth look when viewed from space? From space, Earth looks like a huge blue sphere from the space. Write the use of artificial satellite. Artificial light are used for various purposes like weather forecasting, storm tracking, television and mobile signals, etc. Name two artificial satellite. INSAT INSET and IRS are two artificial satellite or man-made satellite. List Sunita's experience of living in space. Sunita Williams' first experience was with STS-116 launched by the International Space Station. She completed a spacewalk of 32 hours and 36 minutes in April 2007. Sunita was brought back to Earth aboard the Atlantis, during which she broke the record of single space flight by a woman. Write the meaning of term given below. Cosmonaut. An astronaut of Russian space program is cosmonaut. Astronaut. An astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space. What is astrology? It is the study of influence that the stars and the planet may have on the people's life. What is constellation? A constellation is a group of visible stars that form a specific pattern when viewed from the earth. What is astronomer? A scientist who studies the star, the planet and other object in the space is known as astronomer. What is space? The area outside the earth is the space. In space there are various celestial objects like planets, meteors and stars, etc. What is a spaceship? A spaceship is a vehicle or a machine designed to fly in the outer space. Identify the picture given below and write their names and achievement of each in one line. The first photograph is of Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian born woman who travelled in the space. The next photograph is of Rakesh Sharma. He is the only Indian to travel in the space. And the next picture is of Valentina Tereshkova. She was the first woman to travel in the space. Next picture, last picture is of Neil Armstrong, the first man to walk on the moon. Moon is a natural satellite of Earth. Write some man-made satellite of the Earth. EOS, INSAT, SARAL, SARAL, RISAT and OceanSat. They are example of few man-made satellite. Pluto, the ninth planet, is no more considered as part of the solar system. Why Pluto is not considered as a part of solar system? Because it does not qualify for the for the definition of planet. Size of Pluto is very small. Just because it does not qualify for the definition of planet, it is no longer considered a part of solar system. Draw the picture of sky as we can see in the day and as we can see in the night. In the day we can see sun, clouds, but in the night we can see the moon and stars. This is the difference. What did Sunita William mean of the following? All the lines on the map are made by us, they are in our mind. Explain. Sunita William wanted to state the fact that borders between the country are man-made and it is not by our mother nature, that we have created the boundaries between the country, and from the space above these boundaries are no longer visible. In this space given below, draw the phases of moon. So in this column we have to draw the phases of moon, the various phases of moon. It's given, it's a crescent shape or half moon, full moon. Either you can draw this diagram or you can draw this diagram. 7 continent and map. You have to label the 7 continent and oceans on the map. It is given in the picture on the screen. Now the next question, we have to locate the state or area where we live. So I have marked the area Gujarat where I live, and I have marked the boundaries of Gujarat. It is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Thank you so much for watching the video.